Want to boost your home's value without breaking the bank? I've got you covered. Here are 5 cheap upgrades that instantly boost your home's value, all under $50. First up, a peel and stick backsplash. Forget messy grout and expensive tiles. For less than $50, you can get a high-end look in your kitchen or bathroom in just a couple of hours. There are so many styles to choose from, like classic subway tile or modern geometric patterns. It's a simple, renter-friendly way to make a huge impact. Just peel, stick, and admire your brand new space. Next, let's talk about lighting. Specifically, LED under cabinet lights. This is one of my favorite hacks because it's so easy and looks so professional. It adds a warm, inviting glow, makes your countertops brighter and more functional, and gives your kitchen a luxurious feel. You can find battery-operated or plug-in strips online for about $20 to $30. Installation is a breeze, and the difference is literally night and day. Number 3 is upgrading your door hardware. Your interior doorknobs and hinges are something you touch every day, but often overlook. Swapping out those dated, builder-grade brass knobs for something more modern, like matte black or brushed nickel, is a game-changer. It instantly makes your entire home feel more cohesive and updated. A single knob set can be as cheap as $10, so you can do several doors and stay well within your $50 budget. Ready for a splash of color? Let's create an accent wall. A gallon of paint is usually under $50, and it's the fastest way to completely transform the mood of a room. Pick a bold color for your bedroom headboard wall, or a deep, moody shade for your living room. It adds depth, personality, and a custom-designed feel without the designer price tag. All you need is a weekend afternoon and a little bit of painter's tape. Finally, let's head to the bathroom. For our 5th upgrade, we're swapping out the bathroom hardware set. I'm talking about the towel bar, toilet paper holder, and hand towel ring. Often, these pieces don't match, or are just plain outdated. You can buy a complete matching set for around $40. It's a small detail that creates a polished, unified look, making your bathroom feel more like a spa retreat. So there you have it. 5 incredibly simple and affordable DIY projects that add real value and style to your home. Small budget, big transformation. You don't need a massive renovation to make your space feel new again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home and DIY tips. See you next time.